Alright guys, so this morning, very unsuccessful in getting the Nintendo Switch Lite, but we ventured over to Ikea, the YouTuber's dreamland. I'm sorry for the audio, I wasn't planning on recording this, because I didn't know it was going to come here. But we're going to get a new desktop. In this video, I was showing you how I'm going to be changing my desk situation, giving my little sister the old desk, and I'll be getting a new desk. So, we're in Ikea right now, we're going to see, can we find
the desk.
So, we're looking for coming in, we're looking for I don't know if I want to get lighting is good. I'm looking for not home improvement desk. Let's go with desk, computer and desktop. I want desk for gaming, desk for office. It might not be under here. Let me see. Sorry, is an aisle 2. Let's see what's down here. So we're gonna see if we want this desktop, or a lot of people go with the kitchen countertop. Maybe I'll find out in a few seconds. Depends on how big they are. But we're going to aisle 2. So I found the legs and stuff for the desk, but that's not what I want, because I already have this right here. I'm looking for the kitchen countertops. They had an odd valve. I might get one of those in the Alex drawer, but I'm not sure yet. So I'm trying to find the Alex drawer unit, and I'm going to find the actual desktop order. So these are almost the same size. This one's a little longer. This might be the size that I need. This is the lemon. This might be the one size I need. This is a which one? But the depth of it is not as deep. I'm gonna keep looking. All right, guys. So I think I found a desk unit I'm gonna get. But now I'm trying to find the right legs. I wanted to get the where are they? Where are they? I wanted to get the Liebherr legs, but they only have them in gray. I might just stick with the addles I already got. You know the standard addles. They got them in white. But I'm trying to see, can I find a better product. I want the Alex drawer unit, but that is 89 bucks. But they have a cheaper alternative. The Helmer that I might look at. But this one is black. I don't want the black. I don't want black stuff. But we will keep looking. Hopefully we'll be able to find what we're looking for within the next few minutes. All right, guys. So we picked up a lemon desk. I put the dimensions of this desk inside of the video, and we found an alternative to the Alex drawer unit. I didn't want to spend $80 on the Alex drawer unit. Like I said, I'm a broke medical student trying to make a living from YouTube. But this is the Helmer, so we're gonna pick up a dining table, 2 chairs, and the I think it's called, I can't think of the name of the other thing. But we're gonna go over there and we're gonna tell you what we get next. So we got the tabletop we wanted. We got the legs we want. I said we got the Helmer drawer unit. It's cheaper than the Alex drawer unit. I wanted to be different, and I wanted to be a little more, a little cheaper, so I can buy something else. I'm gonna show you guys when I get home. Put this all together. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. So we got one more thing we want to pick up. Is I saw this nice organizer in one of these guys' videos I was watching on YouTube. I'll put a link in the description what it was. So we're gonna go find that in the home organization section. We're gonna check out. We're done. Bank account. I'm sorry. But we picked up some few things. You'll see how the bedroom setup goes in about next. I thought it was done. But we need one more last thing. We need a way to manage our cables. I'm looking for that under rack they have. You see all the YouTubers with the under rack. So we're gonna find that and we're gonna keep on going. I actually decided to get the Alex. I didn't want to skimp out on this because I know this is the one I really want, so I don't want to have to buy twice. So I bought the Alex. I got something special. I'm gonna show you guys if you keep watching the setup video. We bought the peg, that name of this, what is it called, Johnny? The skaters. Bought some accessories for that. Got a desk tabletop, organizer. So now we're going to check out. I'll let you guys know what I spent in a few seconds. 273, not bad.
2,000 years later.
Alright guys, so we're finally back after a long day of shopping. Me and my little sister going to run all day long, but we got all the stuff that we need to do this remodel of the room. As you can see, this is the old setup over here. It's a decent setup, but for all the stuff I do and I plan on doing at this desk, this space was too cluttered. Like, this has everything I needed. You can even see my wires aren't as managed. You can look underneath here, honey. My wires aren't really managed underneath here, and we got something to fix that. But thank you for watching the video so far. Tomorrow morning we're gonna get to this. We're gonna get all this stuff put together, and I hope you guys enjoy the video of the new setup we're gonna have. Everything from Ikea. Everything will be linked in the description. Enjoy the rest of the video. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the time lapse of all the stuff that we've done so far. So we put in a brand new desk. I hope you guys can appreciate just how big this desk is. Like I said, I showed you the B-roll of how small my other desk was. It was a good desk, don't get me wrong, it was a very good desk, but I needed more space. So what we did, we went for, I think this is like 8 feet. This is like 7.5 to 8 feet desk. And the width is perfectly good enough for me. I was concerned that it might be too narrow, but it's perfect. But this, don't get me wrong, it was a very good desk, but I needed more space. So what we did, we went for, I think this is like 8 feet. This is like 7.5 to 8 feet desk. And the width is perfectly good enough for me. I was concerned that it might be too narrow, but it's perfect. We also went and bought the large drawers, and we got stuff in there. Like I said, you guys want to see a full room tour, let me know, because the room is coming together. We also bought the skaters organizer over here. But the skaters organizer over here. Guys, excuse her, she's still on me. I still gotta put more stuff in here. I bought some clips, I bought a rack, I bought some cups to put stuff in. But it's coming together. Put two more posters up here. But guys, like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, the audio might be a little more poor than my normal video because we just hurried to get this done. Have a lot of study here to do. Got a test coming up on Tuesday in medical school. But we gonna come over here. So we're coming over here now. Besides this is the desk of stuff that I'm testing, products that I'm testing. Just that the GoPro is really the only thing I'm testing right now. There's another microphone I'm testing, but we also implement this area right here. This would be my chill area. Like I don't want to be at the desk, or if I'm just reading or doing a quick assignment. Somewhere I can chill at is this table. This is the Meltorp from Ikea. I think the whole thing together was about 50 bucks. Pretty cool. This space is meant. It's just meant for this table right here. Two little cheap little chairs. I forgot which one of those are, but I'll put those in the description. Everything we have will be in the description. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, if it's your first time here, or if you are a loyal subscriber, I want to thank you. But if it's your first time here, consider pressing the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of awesome stuff coming in. Coming soon, we will have a new What's in My Tech Bag student edition. So make sure you watch that video. And guys, keep supporting the channel. I appreciate everything you're doing. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Bacon. We out.